Guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Today we are on a topic that is rectification of errors and its treatment in final accounts. Let's see, there is first error that have been committed by the proprietor, that he has forgot some salary to be shown in the books of accounts. So the a given point is outstanding salary is rupees 4,000. Now, how the rectification is to be done? The rectification part would be done for debit and credit. Debit and credit, as per the dual aspect, the things are to be recorded in the twice manner. So here, let's suppose if we pay the salary, then what would be the journal? The journal is salary account debit to cash account. Now salary is which account? That is a nominal account. So for that purpose, debit all losses and expenses. So salary account should be debited, and cash is real account. Cash is going out, so it should be credited. So if the salary is paid, the journal would be salary account debit to cash account. But here the salary is not paid, rather the salary is outstanding. So for that part, salary account debit would remain the same because it is the nominal and the expense. And secondary part, where we would have written cash account, in the place of the cash account, now what we are writing is outstanding salary account. Why we have written outstanding salary account? Because here nothing is going out, rather outstanding salary is representing a personal. What person is there? That person is represented with your representative personal account. It shows the liability of the business, that still salary is payable. So here the journal would be salary account debit to outstanding salary account. So this is the rectifying entry which we have to pass. Now for this rectifying entry, what treatment would be done in the final accounts? In the final accounts, this particular journal would be shown twice, right? There would be one debit aspect, one credit aspect. For the debit aspect, salary should be increased with rupees 4,000. So here in the profit and loss account, the salary account would be added outstanding salary rupees 4,000, because it shows that expense have been shown less. So we now need to add this 4,000 rupees here. And for the secondary part, that was a liability, so it should be shown in your balance sheet on the liability side as outstanding salary of rupees 4,000 here, right? So it shows that in the business, dual aspect of the transaction would be recorded, one in the profit and loss account and second would be in the balance sheet, because we rectified the journal for debit and credit. Debit was your expense, so it was added to the expense, and second was your representative personal account, which shows that amount is payable someone outsider, which is the liability of the business. That's why it is shown in the balance sheet on the liability side as outstanding salary rupees 4,000. Thank you. This was the first one for the rectification of the errors. Uh, Keep scoring. Thank you, Accountitude. Like, share, and comment.